According to the Department of Justice, every year, 321,500 Americans, both men and women over the age of 12, become a victim of sexual assault. That means every 98 seconds, someone becomes a victim of sexual assault.
A lot of this can be prevented with proper education. Command Master Chief for me and Timothy with Strike Fighter Wing in Lemoore, California.
I just realized something had to change.
Various dating and social interaction scenarios were played out for hundreds of sailors.
As a month of sexual assault awareness events comes to an end, the Sexual Assault Prevention and Response Team hosted Pure Praxis as the culminating event.
Soldiers at Fort Polk are practicing how to be advocates for change through acting.
An organization that facilitates sapper training.
Finding new ways to fight an old problem.
Pure Praxis, with service members stationed at the Pentagon.
This audience is part of the 47,000 military personnel that Pure Praxis has reached.
Kelly Fleiter, CEO and founder of Pure Praxis.
I'll be to admit I was a very skeptic the first time around. Just an opportunity for us not to be able to do our primary mission, which is either fix aircraft or fly them.
They said, oh, we have another sapper training today, and it was the same reaction for everyone. It was just, not again.
At the beginning, the sailors are very skeptic. Here we go again.
Oftentimes, we hide behind PowerPoints, brochures, definitions. Pure Praxis can make a difference because of immersive education.
Pure Praxis grabs the sailor onto the stage and allows them the opportunity to speak their mind. And they're not given a script.
We pull them up on stage, and that's where the action takes place, right then and there.
They're not getting the answers from us, they're getting the answers from their buddy that's sitting next to them. We try to run a fire drill for these sort of social situations where somebody needs to step in. Everybody thinks somebody else will handle a problem. Well, we want to empower every individual to feel like they can step in and solve a problem.
Well, when this training started, I looked at the person next to me and we're just like, oh, this could be useful, this could be helpful.
By the end of the show, all eyes are on the stage.
Now they have a solution for when that happens in the real world, and it matters.
We have taken our immersive education around the world. We've been to Japan, we've been to Italy, we've been to Bahrain, we've been to Brazil, we've been field tested with the Pentagon, the Department of Defense. We worked with Major League Baseball, we work with universities, campuses, corporate America. We will not stop until we reach everyone.
I personally feel Pure Praxis is a great tool. Pure Praxis was highly recommended.
I would recommend Pure Praxis for everything.
In the time that it took you to watch this video,
somebody else became a victim of a sexual assault.
Learn how you can help to change that.